Good morning, class. If you're watching this, you're in language arts. It is April 22nd, so let's scroll here. You should see April 22nd, day 3, it's Wednesday. For your opening, you guys will be going to the homeroom page and watching my daily YouTube video mini lesson. You guys should be watching this video. And for your work period, you guys need to go to readworks.org and finish the assignment named Trash and Recycling. So let's go over our I can statement. I can compare and contrast one author's presentation of events with that of another. So we are reading two different perspectives about trash and recycling today, and you guys need to be able to compare and contrast the two. What's different, what's the same about both articles, okay? For your mini lesson, you guys should be doing what you're doing right now, watching this video. Good job. For your work period, you're going on there and you're finishing the assignment. Only 3 people in our entire class have done this assignment. I want to see 10 out of 10, okay? Here is your class code and the password. All right, get on there today, guys. Finish it. It's your last day to do it.